We're waiting for our boat. That's my brother and his wife, and that's my wife. And there's a speck out there you might see, a little black speck is a guy's head. He's swimming out to get the boat to pick us up. We're gonna go on a 3-hour tour. You know, that's what happened to the Gilligan's Island people too. So if we never be heard from again, this is my message. Okay, this is stranger. Bye-bye. This is we're riding on the outside. Hey Melanie, hello. Oh shit. Yeah, I don't know. I assumed there was gonna be seats in the boat, but no, we're riding on the wings. It's actually kind of fun, but I think I'll put the phone away because I don't want to drop it. How you doing over there? Kind of an upside down camera. I don't know what we're gonna get. I'm laying down, taking pictures upside down. There's the water. Hello, water. This is a crazy way to ride a boat, man, I'm telling you. Nice looking beach.